In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Rico jumping animation. Please subscribe to this channel because we are dropping free tutorials every week. Moving on with the class, this tutorial will be about how to animate Rico character jumping up and down. So we'll be using Flipaclip app for this animation. Yes, so I'll open up your Flipaclip app, then name your project. I'll call it Jump Cycle. Okay. Then I'll click on done. Then I will import my background. So I'll click over there to import my background. Okay, so I'll now click on that three dot over there. I'll now add my character. Okay, so now we have already designed the character. Okay, so there is no need for us to draw any character. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before I use them for animation. So if you need any kind of cartoon characters for your animation, I can help you design a complete character fully rigged and ready for animation. So what you have to do now is to click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and from there you will contact me on WhatsApp so that I will design a character for you. So this animation will be frame by frame. So I will click on that plus icon to add my second image because we are doing this thing on the phone, so it's frame by frame. So I'm going to add the second image. You can see that this character, it did something that we know as anticipation. Anticipation is a process whereby your character prepare for an action. So take note, before you animate, make sure that you add anticipation to your jump. Okay, there are easier ways to make your character to jump, which I'll be talking about it at the end of this video. So stick to this video to the end so that you won't miss out on that very part. So this next frame I added now, you can see I added the next frame. So this next frame now, I applied squash and stretch. It's also known as overshoot pose. So this pose now is the pose that will prepare your character for that jumping effect as you want to do. So make the squash and stretch like so that when somebody see the animation, you'll be like your previous frame is smaller than your next frame, which is you apply squash and stretch. Okay, so and you can see that the character has started to jump. The leg have already moved up a little bit than the previous frame. You can observe it from what you are seeing on the screen now. Okay, now the character have already squashed and stretched, you understand? So this is also one of the principles of animation. So if you want to learn more about animation, how to create Rico animation, how to create cartoon animation using your smartphone or your laptop, I have a well-detailed tutorial that will explain to you everything in details, how to create your own cartoon videos. So if you want to join my animation class, follow the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and from there you'll be able to have access to those of my tutorial videos. Alright, so moving on with the tutorial. Now this is the last pose. Okay, so this last pose now, so they call it the action pose. It's also known as the extreme pose. I believe that if you join my animation class, you'll be able to know when to apply extreme pose. You'll be able to know when to apply which pose and the app that you use to generate your characters in different poses, and animation will be easy for you. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because I'll be dropping new tutorials every week so that we all can learn and master how to animate. Yes, the goal of this channel is to teach you everything about animation. So subscribe to this channel now so that you will get our updates every week. And if you have already subscribed to this channel, please like this video, okay, so that I will continue creating more animation tutorial videos for you. So now when you are done adding the extreme pose, you need to go back and copy those your anticipation and your normal poses and paste it so that when you play the video, the animation will look finished. The character will jump and then come back to his neutral position. So I've already copied the first pose and second pose and paste it as my end frame. Okay, so that when I play the video, automatically the character will jump properly. Okay, so I'm going to now go ahead and play the video for you to see. So let's play the video now and see. You see our character have already jumped. Okay, so this is the what I want to share with you. So this is the powerful secret I want to show. You see that this first pose is the neutral pose, when the character have not started to jump. Now this second phase pose now is the anticipation pose. Our character almost squashed and it's about to stretch, understand. Then this third one is the stretch. Our character have already stretched, okay, preparing for the jumping, but you need to make it to come up a little bit. Then this last one now is the action pose, the extreme pose, the jumping pose. So when you play this animation now, and then add the 2 frame at the last, you'll be able to achieve a normal jumping animation. Alright, so I'll go ahead now and export the video. So click on that 3 dots and then click on make movie. We are going to export the video now. So I'll click on make movie. Then all the project settings is okay. Then I'll click on make movie. So our video I've already exported. So you can now share your video on your platform, Facebook, TikTok, and the rest. So let's play the video and see. You see that animation is very easy. So if you are having any problem with animating, if you find it difficult to animate, you can join my Telegram channel. I will be able to teach you how to animate, or I can also create characters for you, okay, so that you will be able to animate either with your smartphone or your laptop, okay. So if you want, you can join our animation class where we'll go into depth and teach you step-by-step process on how to animate, so that you'll be able to learn how to animate easily. So if you want to reach out to me, you can join my Telegram channel. Follow the link in the description of this video. Once you join my Telegram channel, you'll be able to contact me on WhatsApp. Okay guys, so that is all about this video. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. I'll see you on my next video.